Let's start making rubber seal stamp today. So first you have to open a PowerPoint file. Select a blank slide. Then go to shape. Select the oval shape. This shape option will come under the insert option. Now go to shape fill. Select no fill. Go to shape outline. Select dark blue and go to weight for thickness. I am selecting here 4.5. Then Control C, copy it, and by pressing the shift button make a proper circle. Put the small circle inside the big circle. Now again go to insert and shapes and select star shape. Press shift and drag the star and make a star. Shape fill, dark blue I am selecting here. Shape outline, no outline. Control C for copy and Control V for duplicate copy. Put the stars inside the big circle. Now go to insert again, word art. Select the word art and type the title which you want to insert on the seal. I am for sample I am writing here Arrow Spoon Money Imphal. Control C 3 times and Control V. Now text fill, I am selecting here text color blue color. Go to home, reduce the size to fit inside the circle. Now go to format. To put the effects, we'll select the text effects. Here we'll select this effect. So adjust the effect, adjust like in such a way so that it can fit inside the circle like this. Now the second text which we have copy and pasted, again select the desired text, go to format, text fill, blue color, then home, reduce the size as per the circle, then drag the text and put it inside the circle, small circle. Now the third text which we have copied, again go to format, text fill, blue color, same color which we have used for last two texts. Reduce the size according to our circle, format, text effect, we'll select that effect, then reduce the size accordingly, drag the text and put it inside the circle. Now guys, your stamp is sample is ready. Now select the image, Control G for grouping, then it will be a image. Now right click and go to save as a picture. give a name sample. I'm giving here seal name and saving it on desktop, and save as a type. Select PNG portable network graphics format type and then save. Now you have to go to any PDF editor website. Here I am choosing sajda.com. Then you have to upload the PDF file which you want, on which you want to paste the seal. Then add new image and select the seal which we have just made it and add on the PDF file. Then you have to press apply changes and download, and this stamp which we just made will come on your document. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.